YouTube and friends, and all of you demo fans who are really enjoying this one. I bet this is a major demo, at least for me, maybe not for you, but they're moving along real quick here. Right now they're I think you can probably see he's up there with the he's up there working with the water heater right now. I don't know what their rules are for salvaging and what they have to do. I see a big giant copper pipe at the top of that water heater, and that may be what he's up to, is salvaging that big copper pipe. We've seen them salvaging chunks of copper from various spots. So yeah, he's got those copper wire, that copper plumbing still shiny after all these years. So it's gotten really windy. Maybe I should raise my voice a little bit, but they're doing double duty right now with, let's see here, double duty with both of their pieces of heavy equipment. They've got a bobcat behind this, the front vehicle. The wind's gonna be fierce on this, I'm sorry. Now they're getting the bathtub. I would say they're about 2/3 of the way done right now. Now, I don't know, if you get a project like this done, and these folks are out of Kingman, the name of the company is Old Trails. It's county information because they needed a permit for this demo. Yeah, they do this all the time. They're very aware of what they're doing and how to do it. So I thought I'd do this video. This might be the last one because he's got the bulk of it done all the way back to the kitchen. The only thing behind that wall that you see right there, you see this, let me see if I can show it to you. This white wall is right here. This white wall. Once he blasts through that, the only thing he's got to take down is the master bedroom. And that won't be too much compared to the bathrooms and the kitchen. They do have salvage rights, so that means if they see something they need or want, they will take it. And I did give them verbal permission too when they got here. If you see something, you want it, take it. We're up to 9 different parties or homes that have been able to salvage something from this demo. I've been asking around. I've had a couple people approach me also. So we've got a big salvage off of this already before these folks even got here. And that was the discussion that I had with Rob and Julie at Old Trails. And whatever they can take is great. They explained to me they used to do a lot of that, but as a company they don't really do that anymore because, you know, an old refrigerator, do they even know if it's working? No. They tried to resell stuff out of buildings and they said it just wasn't working really well. Everything was the wrong size, the doors didn't fit, people would bring it back and say, I don't want to give me my money back. So that makes sense. They took a bush out right at the beginning where this big piece here is sitting right now. They had to remove a bush or two just so they could get in and work. So I hope you demo fans are enjoying this. And channel subscribers, you've been seeing this coming for a while because I've owned this property for a while, and this gives us an opportunity to make a better use of this lot. And that's something that I want to show in retirement. You can actually make improvements to your life, to your community, and make some smart decisions out there when you're shopping for a property and when you're purchasing a property. This did cost a bit of money to take this trailer out, but I'm very confident that this will be a good decision for myself. So still sad to see it going away. Hey, here's a cool idea. Go back through these videos and watch them again in fast version, like super fast. That would be cool. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm hanging on here for another minute or so to see if they can show you that water heater coming out. Oh, there's water coming out of it right now. I don't know if you can see that. Right about in the middle of the picture right there. There's water pouring out. Let's see where that is. Right about there. Can you see the water coming out of it? They're draining it. Looked like a pretty new water heater, but you never know. Water sitting in anything for a couple of years is gonna, probably mess it up. Things rust. When there's water sitting, things rust. Addition was done at some point after the front building up there, and it will be remodeled. We're not gonna do anything to this structure because it's a good structure, very nice. That was one of the things that caught my eye when I first saw this property is let me get over the pile of rocks. When I saw this property was, I can do something with this place. Beautiful building, still in excellent condition. So, Well, I guess they're going to be working for a while draining that water out. I'm signing off, and I hope you enjoyed the video, or the videos. Not something you see on YouTube every day. Have a wonderful day, great week, and we'll be talking to you again real soon. This is Retirement Bootcamp, Off-gridAZ, signing off. Bye-bye.